Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with You Cooking
There you go.
with me, G. I'm really hungry. I just got off work and this was really fucking easy to make. So, come on. Got these cheap motherfucking bolillos. Cut these hoes up. I don't know, man. Don't mind this. That's gonna be. I'm eating that. I'm eating it right now. It's not going to waste. It's not going to waste. Hopefully this works. I didn't exactly look at a recipe for this. I just looked at a picture and said I want to make that shit. So, guys, you saw me do that. Come on. I bought a lot of shit. A lot of cheeses. So if we mess up, there's no control subject. If we mess up, I don't know why I messed up. Pretty much, this is how this is gonna go. Honestly, I'm not sure if I should cook the sausage first. Not sure at all. But these are all the ingredients I bought for this, and well, I'm not even sure I'm gonna use them all. Some obscenely high temperature. I might be completely off the mark on that one. But we'll see.
And we
It's
got
just
our
cheese.
chef snacks.
It's just cheese, man.
Cheese is always
Everything's
good.
already cooked except for the sausage, which is. You know what? I might not even use that. Put all the cheeses in there, everything you like. Yes. All the cheeses, all the goodness. An obscene amount of cheese. And all the crevices. Some Parmesan in there. There's a lot of different cheeses here. That's just mozzarella, Jesus Christ. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. I'm not. I'll clean it up. Maybe off camera. Looking good luck. Come here. And now we watch. Yeah, we watch. It's almost melted. I'm gonna stick my fucking egg in. Oh, okay, didn't work.
What?
It's because they're large eggs, they're not little baby eggs. We're gonna try it again. Come on. I'm not gonna get it. I'm not getting it today.
You got some egg in there.
Shit. Nice and oh shit. I'm gonna slap some butter on that. On this boy. And this one. Everything looks actually really good. So.
Looks really good. Oh, I got butter melted. Yes.
I'll wait for it to cool down. And not everything's perfect. I'm hungry and I'm gonna eat. I'll see you next time. See? Cheesy goodness. Alright, come here. Come on. This is like probably a couple minutes after. You really didn't have to wait that long. Very good. Very bready.
Ooh, be careful. Okay.
Look at that. Number 2. That's some really good pepperoni, I'm not gonna lie. It was the most expensive thing though. That pepperoni was the most expensive item of the ingredient list. That looks really good. Very cheesy. Next time, if the cheese is has a high moisture content, that's what you're gonna see. It's not like this. Low moisture content, it stayed together. It's still really cheesy when you bite into it. High moisture content, look at that. It's still melting. But honestly, it's just preference for me. But for looks and for stability, that one. And that's about it, folks. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you made this at home, please tell me in the comments below. Bye bye.